Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the managing customers and the customer groups in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So managing the customers and the customer groups. So adding a new customer, so go to the admin panel, customers and the all customers. Go over there, admin panel, customers, all customers. So here we have the customers, right? So you can create a new customer and log in with that customer. Okay, you have to fill all the things over there, right? So here, and from the front end also you can register it out, like go to the main page. Here we have a create an account, right? So you can just create account over here, test. Okay, sign up for the newsletter, or if it is, then you can add it up over here. Then I will add the millinator one, right? Confirm password, show password is there, just create an account. So it will create an account. Thank you for registering the main website, and here you can see that the customers will get this record. Okay, so this account is created, right? So this is normal customers which we are going to log in and save it. Okay, next we have the editing an existing customer. You can edit, add customer accounts, you can edit. So from here you can also edit the customers, right? So edit that one. You can add the shipping address, billing address over there, so you can add a new address from here also, right? So you can add it, right? Default billing address, shipping address, you can enable or disable it from here. Customer accounts, you can enable or disable accounts, set the account status or the reset password for the groups, right? So here we have the, here you can see, go to the reset password, create order, save and continue. Every feature is over there related to the customers, right? Next we have the customer groups. Okay, so managing the customer groups, right? So this is managing the customers. Now we are going to learn about the managing the customer groups. Okay, creating a new customer group, where we have to go, stores customer group, right? So if I go to the customers, and here we have the customer groups, right? So customer groups, so by default we have a four methods, right? And whatever customer I have created from the front end, let's have a look which it is assigned. That is the main website and default. Okay, if I go and I just edit this customer, okay, count information over here. So currently it's the journal group. So by default it is in journal group. You can switch with the retailer, wholesaler. That will define which customer it is, or according to it you will generate the coupon code for them and they can redeem that coupon code if it is a business, retailer or whatever. So according to it you can manage it, right? So this is how the customer groups are very very important. Okay, benefits, for the customer groups, that is custom pricing, and apply different pricing for the wholesaler, retailer or the VIP customers. You can just define it like this. Special promotion, offering exclusive discounts to the specific groups. Tax rules management, different tax classes for the different customer groups you can add. Restrict the access, limit the specific products or the categories based on the groups. So where here, this all the customer groups have the benefits, right? So very important. Okay, so this is what is customer and the customer groups. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.